This is the Akaso v50 Elite, driving at nighttime. We're gonna see how it does. Image stabilizer is on, driving mode for the car is on, and we have the wind noise on. We are also recording at 2.7K, 30 frames per second. It looks pretty clear on the LCD screen. It looks pretty solid. We're going to pull up to the gas station in a second. I'm going to go ahead and grab some gas, and we'll see how clear it is. And I guess I'll stand in front of the camera so you guys can see me and see if I'm clear through the camera. We are driving with the camera on wide mode. I'm wondering if you can see the license plates of the cars. I'm gonna keep this short, down about 5 minutes on this clip. Just a quick night review. I haven't seen any night reviews of this camera yet, and I thought I'd make one for you guys. We're at 5 minutes in. Image stabilization is on right now. Putting some gas up in the Hummer, but just wanted to show you guys what it looks like at nighttime. So image stabilization is on. Seems to be working pretty good. Pretty much done here. I'll show you where I have the camera mounted, which is right here, and it just slides straight into that top piece right there. Camera's locked in, and we are going to hit the road. And I'll make this I might make a portion of this a time lapse for you. Looks pretty clear so far.